Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to optimize BlueStacks settings for gaming in 2026. So if you want higher FPS, smoother gameplay, lower lag, and better overall performance, yeah, these settings can make a huge difference. First, launch BlueStacks and click the settings icon near the top right corner of the emulator window. Next, go to the performance section and increase CPU cores and memory allocation based on your PC hardware. Stronger systems can handle higher settings for smoother gameplay. Outdated graphics drivers can reduce performance and cause stuttering, so update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers to the latest version. Before gaming, close unnecessary background apps like browsers, overlays, launchers, or recording software. This frees up more CPU and RAM for BlueStacks. For better control and smoother gameplay, customize keyboard mapping from the controls editor. Yeah, optimized controls can improve your gaming experience a lot. You can also switch Windows power settings to high performance mode, so your PC focuses more on gaming performance instead of saving power. And that's basically how to optimize BlueStacks settings for gaming in 2026. After applying these changes, your games should run smoother, faster, and much more stable on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.